Hey, it's Lena with Newman's Nest, and I am excited for another packing video. We are headed out this weekend on our first camping trip of the summer season. So it's always an exciting time to be going for the first trip of the season. And so I thought I would show what I am packing. So we're going on a long weekend trip. So just really a pretty short one, few days. We do have a camper that we stay in, so that kind of shifts things. Don't need as much like outdoor gear. But I just keep it comfortable and I try to stay somewhat cute because I feel better when I do. So I will just kind of pull things out of my drawers and show you what I'm packing. I have some outdoor pants by Eddie Bauer that I love for camping. They're lightweight, but yet they're warm because it's just coverage. I have a brown color that I don't really wear during like my at home time. I stick to black pants if I'm going to be wearing them for like every day. But the brown color is just great for camping because I don't know, I feel like it just kind of hides things. So I have a pair of these brown Eddie Bauer pants that will be kind of my go-tos, I think, pretty much the whole trip. Um, some people might think that's kind of gross. So, okay, so we got brown pants. I'll throw those. I'm just gonna throw things on the bed. I'll show you how I pack. We got pants. And next I will pack probably we've got Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday. We're coming home. So super short. So I'm just going to pack 3 short sleeve t-shirts to go underneath like sweatshirts. So 1 t-shirt. We'll do 2 t-shirts. Ooh, that might not look good with the brown pants though. So let's pick a different one. How about, this little magnolia t-shirt. We'll pack that one. And then maybe this white. This is from our Joshua Tree time. So those are my 3 t-shirts. I will probably pack, in addition to those pants, I think I'm going to pack some denim shorts just because the weather, I forgot to mention, that's one of the most important things before starting a packing situation is to look at the weather. The weather is going to be like 60s and 70s, so that is great news. So I think shorts will probably be a good second option for my bottoms. So I also feel like camping, you definitely want layers for at least for me, I'm always cold, I feel like. So I will bring probably 2 sweatshirts to layer with. And I think I got the Lava Hot Springs t-shirt in our last little trip down to Pocatello area while Chase was on a little working trip. And I just love that it looks like a Neen Bang, which I know that that's kind of crazy. It's like super high end. And this is just nice old Idaho. So I am bringing that one. And then maybe I will bring, let's see, I might take you over to my other closet to show you my hanging. I bet I have I think I have a different, let's go over there really quick. Okay. So in my like wardrobe closet, I've got a like a fleece kind of jacket that will layer really nicely. So I will throw this in the pile. And so next I am going to pack some socks. Probably just 3 pairs of socks to go with my hiking boots. And then I mostly will just wear my sandals. I feel like my Birks are kind of a go-to when it comes to camping. But I will throw in just some lightweight socks, and call it good. Okay, I also have my insulated jacket, from Marmot that I always pack for camping, no matter really any time of year, just because it's really easy to layer, and it even in the dead of summer, like some evenings are just chilly and some mornings, so I always like to have that. Throw that in the pile, and then a raincoat. So we're still kind of in like spring type weather. The last few years that we've gone to this area of Idaho that we are going to this weekend, it has rained like I would say 75% of our time there. And with the right gear, you can just be out in it. So I have a Marmot long rain jacket that works very well. And also I feel like it cuts the wind. And if I need to layer it on top of even that gray packable insulated jacket, it works out really well. So I'll have those two jackets. And next I'll show you what shoes I will be packing. I just went on a little search to find my hiking boots in our shoe closet, and I realized they are already out in the camper. So I will not be showing those to you, but I have these handy dandy black Birks that are completely worn out, and I wanted to get them resold. And the guy at the shoe store said that it was just cheaper to buy new ones, and I just can't part with these because they are broken in. They're perfect. So I'll wear these camping, and I will probably be one of those people that wears my socks with my Birks while it's cold in the morning. No judgment. And then for pajamas, I'm just going to pack a t-shirt and some little cotton boxer shorts. And I might pack a pair of leggings as well, just because if it does get really cold, which is supposed to be down in the 30s in the nighttime. And so we're in the camper, but I don't think we're gonna run our heater at all. And so it might be kind of chilly, but that's really good sleeping weather. So I think I'll just pack some leggings just in case. And that's pretty much it. I'll pack my undergarments, and then my toiletries, which is gonna be really simple, just like face wash, toothbrush, and toothpaste. And yeah, that's pretty much all it is. I do have a few ball caps in the camper already. They just kind of stay out there with my hiking boots. Um, and that's just what I do for getting ready in the day. So, I hope you liked this really quick, like throwing everything um in a pile packing video. I will end up putting it in packing cubes that go into the cupboards in our camper. Maybe I'll put them in packing cubes. Stay tuned for that. I'll show you what it looks like. And okay, so here is everything I have packed, my packing cubes, and I have my jackets and my sandals. So what I like to do is I just throw everything in a basket for when I'm kind of getting ready for a trip, and then I will take that out to our camper once we get a little closer, and I'll just hang those jackets on some hooks. And yeah. And that's everything I do to pack for myself for getting ready for a camping trip. Stay tuned for our trip, and I will make a video on the campground that we're going to. So stay tuned for that. See you next time. Bye.